Hello everyone. A beautiful end game. I'm going to share with you. The black king is here, a pawn. And the white one, the king is here, one pawn, one bishop, and a knight. The direction for that white, for forward like that. White first to move and achieve a victory. That is not easy because the black pawn, only one move can be promoted as a queen. So can you find that solution? In that position, the black king have a 3 living square to move. Can move to G1, E1, and E2. Example, he make a check here. There is a check for the bishop, D3. Black king to E1. Another check on here. Check. F3. King to D1. Where is check for that? If he made a check on here, king will catch the bishop. It can be promoted as a queen. He make a check here, then king takes bishop. Then, if he made a check here, he move on, king D1, and then knight B3, king C2. Then, if he made a check from here, the knight will catch his king. So this is not the solution. Return back to the position like that. If he forward his pawn, become a queen. So this is not the solution. How about the other side? He make a check. Bishop, H3, check. King to G1. Then there is a check in that. Knight F3, check. Cannot move on here, so king to H1, then checkmate. How about if the king will move to E1? That is the first move for the white. Move to E1. Still, there is a check in that. Knight F3, check. King D1. Bishop G4. Now, black move. Promote a queen. Pawn. Become a queen now. Knight to D4. Check. So, if he move his king to C1, there is a double check in that by knight. Knight B3, check. If he move to D2, still double check, check. And then if he move to E1, still check on that. So that is the right move. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it to be updated on my upcoming videos. I'm uploading a video weekly like this, a puzzle, a chess game for a great chess player of all time. Thank you for watching.